Attorney General promises immediate appeal following dismissal over prosecutorial appointment issues. U.S. Attorney General Pam Bondi demanded legal action Monday against former FBI Director James Comey and New York Attorney General Letitia James, speaking at an event in Memphis where she was highlighting the work of the city's SAFE task force. Bondi's comments came after U.S. District Judge Cameron Curry dismissed the criminal indictments against Comey and James and ruled that the prosecutor who brought the cases, Lindsay Halligan, had not been lawfully appointed. The judge agreed with Comey's defense, which argued that Halligan's appointment as interim U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia was invalid, meaning the indictments were defective. We'll be taking all available legal action, including an immediate appeal, to hold Letitia James and James Comey accountable for their unlawful conduct, Bondi told reporters. "I'm not worried about someone who has been charged with a very serious crime," she continued. His alleged actions were a betrayal of public trust, Bondi added. Comey was indicted in September 2025 on charges of making false statements to Congress and obstructing a congressional inquiry. This stemmed from his 2018 testimony about the origins of the FBI's Crossfire hurricane investigation. This was the probe into possible ties between the 2016 Trump campaign and Russia. Comey has denied any wrongdoing, maintaining that his statements were truthful to the best of my recollection, and calling the case a political hit job, not a pursuit of justice. Letitia James was separately indicted in October 2025 on mortgage and bank fraud counts, accused of misrepresenting a Virginia home purchase as a secondary residence in 2020 to secure more favorable loan terms. Prosecutors allege she benefited by nearly $19,000 over the life of the loan. Defense teams for both Comey and James have argued that the prosecutions were flawed, citing procedural irregularities and Halligan's disputed appointment. Halligan, a former Trump legal aide, was the only federal prosecutor to sign Comey's indictment, acting as United States Attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia. On Monday in Memphis, Bondi acknowledged Halligan, defending her credentials and role. "We have made Lindsay Halligan a special U.S. attorney, so she is in court. She can fight in court just like she was, and we believe we will be successful on appeal," Bondi said. "And I'll tell you, Lindsay Halligan, I talked to all of our U.S. attorneys, the majority of them around the country, and Lindsay Halligan is an excellent U.S. attorney. And shame on them for not wanting her in office." "Thank you," she added.